Hello and welcome to another episode of Divina's Recipes for Life. In this episode, we'll be making a beautiful Gujarati Kadhi. This is one of my favorite ever recipes because it's so simple, so delicious, and so interesting. So let's learn how to make it. Now, Gujarati Kadhi, this brings together yogurt, a light blend of spices, and a hint of sweetness to create a silky, soothing, sweet and savory stew. Gujarati style, somewhere in West India, basically. And it feels like home in every spoonful. It's simple, bright, and full of gentle flavors that make it a favorite all over India. The beauty of this recipe is that it's a very simple one, again, as I said, since there's hardly any prep to do, nor are there any vegetables to chop that much unless you wish to add any. So this Gujarati curry can be eaten with steamed basmati rice and is a very nice filling lunch. So let's just learn how to make this. For that, I'm going to take 1 to 2 tablespoons of chickpea flour or besan into a bowl. To that, I'll be adding a 1/4 cup of unflavored yogurt, preferably sour yogurt, and just whisk that into a lump-free mixture. And then we're going to add in some salt to taste, about a teaspoon of ginger green chili paste, and then some water, about 1/3 of a cup, and then we're going to stir that well again, making sure there are no lumps. So we'll heat up some oil, about a teaspoon or so, add about 2 to 3 cloves or long, and a stick of cinnamon or dalchini. If you feel that the curry base is too lumpy, you may either sift it or blend it. I chose to blend it, which is why it may look a bit bubbly right now. We're going to add in our curry base that we prepared. About 1/2 to 1 teaspoon palm sugar or jaggery, which is called gur. I'm just going to stir that and let it boil for about 10 minutes or so while I do my tempering or tadka. Now let's talk tadka. Into a pan, I'm going to add in about 1 to 2 teaspoons of Indian clarified butter or desi ghee. I'm going to let that get hot and then add 1/2 teaspoon of mustard seeds or rai, about 1/2 teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera, about 5 curry leaves or curry patta, and then we're going to let that splutter. Now let's add in a dried red chili and let that sizzle a bit. And then we're going to pour this beautiful tempering over our curry, and then we're going to add in a little ground turmeric and mix that well. And our curry with that is ready. Did you see how simple that was? You can serve that with steamed rice. Some people like it unconventional with roti. Some people like it with thepla, but I like it most with rice. So please do give this recipe a try and let me know what are your favorite curries or stews or comfort food that you'd like me to try next. Happy cooking! Thank you so much for watching. Stay happy, stay healthy, and stay blessed.